friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, it is time to get your coat on and run out to Walgreens. This is a run deal to get these Arm & Hammer scent beads for 49 cents each. That is an unheard of price. I think we're in a time machine from 2018 because it is unheard of. Even my cat wants to go. He's like, Mom, are you going? And I'm like, no, I have to record a video first. Calm down. If you hear him meowing in the background, I got my shoes and my coat on, and I'm just about to run out the door myself for this one because it is spectacular. Okay, so this week, these beads are on a promotion of buy one, get two for free, and the initial buy is $7.49. There was a $1 IBOTTA rebate, but I guess a lot of people just weren't feeling it. So IBOTTA switched things around in their infinite wisdom, and now they have a $2 rebate, which is crazy. Now, the third line says that you can't combine it with a coupon for the same product. And here's the great thing. We don't have any coupons for this product, so it doesn't really matter. And then for those of you that are like, well, Walgreens isn't included. If you scroll down a little bit, see how it's the first store there listed. Now, because this is such a high rebate, it's going to go pretty quickly. At the very least, load it in your IBOTTA account right now so you have it. So if they only have 10,000 to give away, you'll be one of the first 10,000 before it goes completely away. So if you look at the bottom of your IBOTTA, see where it says submit receipt, and then there's a little box with a bunch of squiggly lines. Mine says 29 because there's 29 rebates saved. That box is where your rebate will remain saved. So at the very least, go into IBOTTA, make sure that you have it loaded, and boom, it'll be in your little gallery. Even if it's missing from the regular page, it'll still be there. A little tip for you. So grabbing 3 of these, it's $7.49. It has to be those scent boosters. IBOTTA is giving $2 back for each with a limit up to 5, so that's $6 back. The final price point here is $1.49 for the 3 or 49 cents each. I recommend you do this one in store so you get a receipt. There is no funny business, no nonsense. You got to photograph your receipt for that $6 rebate, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash or a register reward if you might have it if you're doing this deal in concert with no booster. Load your IBOTTA rebate, scan in store, and run to the store to make this happen. And check, sometimes for deals of the week, they'll have special like front end caps with detergent, or they'll have it, in the laundry section. Look all over the store. Just don't look in the most obvious spots. Or you can even ask an employee. They might have a couple in the back. Or check, with the app, if you put 3 into a cart, is there any in stock in your store? Will it say, they can fulfill the order, or is there nothing? That's another way to check, is this worth your time? Now, as the IBOTTA limit is a limit of 5, that is $10 back. 2 times 5, 10. So say you wanted to grab 6. That would be $14.98. Get your receipt from the cash register, photograph it to IBOTTA for $10 back. It's $4.98 for the 6 or 83 cents per unit of those scent beads. And it is okay to use a Walgreens cash or a store register reward if you're doing this with no booster. But I would definitely do the first deal if your store has a huge amount and you are a new couponer and you really enjoy these scent beads. 83 cents is a very respectful price point to get these. It's one of these products that, back in the golden era we used to get for free all the time. But either, 49 cents or 83 cents, a very good price point. Load that IBOTTA rebate, make it happen, get your code on, and go do this deal and have fun. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.